You guys, I just walked inside of Dollar Tree, literally walked in, and look at what I found. They got some more sequin pillows, the rainbow ones, but look at these with the fur on them. One side is plain, the other side is fuzzy. So I see pink, I see this kind of green like that, and then I also see blue like that. And they are not the biggest, they're kind of small. I don't know what to compare them to right here, but if you remember these sequin ones, they're exactly the same size. But aren't those cool? Look at that. That's funny, but cool. I don't see any other colors. Okay, they still have some of these and these pretty bowls. More of the summer stuff and the mermaid tails. I am in the middle of the store on this little round thing right here. I always check this out first. They have all the summer stuff. More of these cute little angels. Oh, look, you guys, so I walked in the back of the store and they actually have some more pillows coming out. So they do have a white and the two colors that I showed you, and they will be bringing out more of the sequin pillows as well. I'm always a day too early, so these are still in the boxes. I don't need any, but just letting you guys know that those are coming out, as well as the solar lights that have the little hummingbirds on them, but those have been here already, so just letting you know. They have some more Peanuts band-aids. The other time I showed you guys, I only saw these two. I didn't see these right here, and that's what they look like. The picture would look like. That's so cute. I don't know if you guys seen them, but that's what that one looks like. I hate when it's kind of blurry. There it is. And then this one was my favorite one because you get all the characters on that one. Look at that. Aren't those cute? So I did get a set, but like I said, I didn't see this one. Oh, look at these. These are so pretty. Look at that. It's still sealed shut, so I'm not going to take the top off, but these are trinket boxes that look like flowers. This would be perfect for Mother's Day. You have that pretty blue color. I see this white one, and I also see a pink one, and they may have gotten sold out because I only see the 3, unless yeah, I don't know, but I do see these 3, and I think those are so pretty. Here's some really pretty wristlets. They got different ones. So I see that one, I see that, this one, and I think I see, yeah, the zipper on that one was pink, but these are really cute. Thin flashlights. Look at that. How fun is that? And it's really, really thin, and I see the silver one, and I also see pink, and I think I see like a gold one back there. I think I want to get this pink one. Okay, you guys, they are putting out some of their graduation stuff, and it's not all the way out, as you can see, but I'm going to show you guys whatever is out. They got these wands that say "Way to go, you did it." Those are cute. Congrats, grad. And the one with the star. Then they got the big numbers that say 2019. I wish they would have had those out for New Year's. Then you got some photo props. This big giant ball. And then you have those in silver and gold, pink and blue. Let's see, here's a photo frame. What does it say at the bottom? Class of 2019. Same right there. These are so pretty. Look at that, and they're really sparkly. I think I should get some of these. Yeah, I'm gonna get a couple of these to use around the house, and those are the only colors I see. They'll probably pull out some silver ones too, but I only see gold today. And you got this one photo frame. What is this? That. And it does have the stand on the back. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. 2019 with the little tassel and the picture. They got cups coming out. 2019 grad. Congrats right there. And what does this one say? The tassel was worth the hassle. That's cute. Let's see. Oh, look at that. I like that. So let's see that one. It says the same thing as the cup. And this one. And then they have these right here. Congratulations, you did it. And then these down here. So you can put a picture on the top of that. And necklaces. And then you got the ducks with the little diploma thing. And I see some new men's socks. Look at these for 4th of July. Look at that. I like that with the fireworks on it. Cute. And then I see this one that says USA. And they got this one with the Statue of Liberty on it. It's upside down, but that's what that is. And this one with the eagle and with the hats. I like this one. I think I probably, oh wait, what does this say on the foot? What does that say? Light it up. Yeah, I'll get these. Okay, so I'm in the makeup section and look at these. Pout Play Iridescent Lip Color. Tube indicates color, and these are by Simple Colors, which I didn't even know they made lipsticks or lip glosses or whatever this is. I thought they just made fingernail polish, but this one is purple. I don't see a name on it. It just says it indicates the color, so I see purple. Look at this one. This one is kind of like a pink and blue, kind of like a mixture. That's kind of cute. Let's see. I see this kind of light pink right here. Another purple. I see blue. That's really pretty. And I think that's all I see. I see kind of like a white pearl kind of color back there, and more purple and blues right here. And then I see this, which is a powdered out lipstick. Oh, this one is Persuasive. Look at that. So that's actually, I don't know if it's the color of that tag, but it looks dark in there. I'm not sure. So that one said Persuasive. This one is Impolite. Here's Speak Up, and that's like a lavender kind of color. Oh goodness. Tasteful, which is like a brownish wine. Snappy, which looks like an orange. Oh god, do I need to get some of these? I don't know. Look at that. That's like a coral color. Yeah, and then it repeats itself. So those were mainly the colors. Let's see. Oh look, Kissable down here. And Speak Up. So I think I'm gonna get these. I think I'm gonna pick 3 and try them out. So the ones I'm choosing to get is Speak Up, which is the lavender, Impolite, which looks like a brown, Tasteful looks like a wine, and Kissable was the pink one. So I'm gonna get those. And as far as the lip glosses, I'm gonna get this purple one and this one that kind of has that pink and blue kind of ombre, and they say iridescent, so I'm gonna try these 2 out. But what else did I just see? Oh, they have also the Duo Cream eyeshadow. Look at that. So you got Alluring and Tempting. Let's see. I see this kind of like gray and green, Hypnotic and Dazzling. This pink and blue right here. Stormy and Fierce. Let's see, I see this one, and it's Smoldering and Ferocious. Those are kind of cute. Uh-oh, I dropped that one. But they all look about like those are just the main colors right there. Actually, I think I want to get this one. And I think I want to try that purple one. Where did it go? I thought I saw purple. Or was it blue? I think it was this one. I'll just get this one. Oh wait, there it is. Right here. I think I'm gonna try these out. Oh, look at these jars. These are different. Those are pretty. They kind of look like the other ones that I just saw, like these. They're starting to bring out like all kinds of different like ombre type of containers or candle holders, so like that as well. But these are new to me. I see the turquoise and the silver, this dark blue. That's pretty. Look at this one. Ooh, I like that one. That one is definitely, those are two different blues, as you can see. Really pretty though. They put up some more of the crosses that I saw recently with the grace, the bless, those. Oh, I didn't see this one that time. I like that one. Oh, look at these. Tracing, dot to dot, matching mazes, coloring, and more. 8 reusable sticky strings included. So the kid can trace the picture with the string and they're flexible. Oh, that looks like fun. I'm not gonna get this for Pooh Bear, but that's kind of cool. So let's see, they got those two, and I see a dinosaur. What is this? Totally twisted, innovative wirework and art glass jewelry. You got this official coloring book, the Red Queen, fabric project book, shopping days, Dodgers, that one, this one. These are some really big books. And this. Oh, look, the last time I saw these, I only saw the peony and plum and the jasmine and mint. Now I'm seeing wild basil and lime. Right here, they got some Goody 2-ounce pump sprayer. So it has the actual pump on it right there. I only see 2 of those. Oh, look up there. I don't know. Can I reach that? I can reach that. And here is some Sonic Ocean Water and Cherry Limeade popsicles, 10 freezer bars. Ooh, ocean water sounds so good. I think I should try these out, and hopefully we like them by tomorrow, because if they're good, then I'll come back and buy some more. But for now, I'm only gonna buy 1 box, and they have restocked all of the coffees, mocha, caramel, toasted coconut, and vanilla iced lattes. They're actually really good. My favorite is the caramel. I like the vanilla. Don't really care too much for the mocha. Okay, you guys, I am going up this last row, and then I'm gonna get out of here. I always check their cups. Go ask your dad. Mom's drinking coffee. This is why I always check the cup section, because they always put something else out. Okay, here's the emojis. I think I've seen those in the past. Coffee, always a good idea. How many cups a day? What does this one say? Coffee is a lifestyle. That's funny. And I think that's all I see right here. The rest of these I've seen before. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. They're bringing out the Mother's Day cups down here. I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough, and I will talk to you real soon in my next video. Okay, bye. Let's see. I like that Supermom cup, but I don't need any today.